Last spring, I practically ruined my back trying to break ground with a cheap, underpowered front tiller. It just bounced off the hard clay, leaving me completely exhausted and frustrated. Choosing a real rear-tine tiller isn't easy, though. You stare at spec sheets, wondering if you actually need dual-direction tines or just raw engine torque to save your shoulders. Well, I spent the last few months digging in the dirt to test the top contenders, so you don't have to guess. Let me explain why number 1 surprised me. 6. Earthquake Victory Rear-Tine Tiller. I mean, when I first fired this one up, I was genuinely hopeful because Earthquake usually puts out decent gear. It has a fairly compact footprint for a rear unit, which makes it feel a bit less intimidating if you are upgrading from a smaller cultivator. Under the hood, it runs a 212cc Viper engine. The power output is actually completely fine on paper, and it starts up reliably on the first or second pull. You get 16-inch pneumatic tires with deep tractor treads that do an okay job of gripping standard pre-worked topsoil. It uses a counter-rotating tine setup, which is supposed to dig aggressively into uncultivated earth. In soft, loamy dirt, the Victory actually pulls itself along nicely, chewing up the ground into a reasonable seed bed without making you wrestle it too much. But here's what matters if you have tough soil. When I hit a patch of hard-packed clay, this machine struggled hard. The transmission shifting is clunky at best, and the unit tends to jump and buck violently when it hits a rock. I found myself fighting the handlebars way more than I should have, just trying to keep it in a straight line. Bottom line, the Victory is okay for established gardens where the soil is already loose. If you are breaking new, hard ground, this one might just leave you as frustrated as my old front-tine machine did. 5. Earthquake 37037 Pioneer Dual Direction Rear-Tine Tiller. I wanted to see if stepping up to their dual direction system would solve the jumping issues I had with the Victory. The concept here is solid, giving you the option to switch between standard and counter-rotating tines depending on your soil type. The Pioneer uses a 99cc engine, which immediately made me raise an eyebrow. A dual direction setup on a rear-tine tiller usually demands serious torque, and while the engine runs quietly and smoothly, it simply feels underpowered for the physical size of the machine. In standard rotation mode, it acts like a cultivator and does a fair job of mixing in compost or fertilizer at the end of the season. The handlebars are adjustable, which is a nice touch, and the overall balance of the frame sits fairly well when you're working on flat, even ground. Well, the reality of testing it was a bit of a letdown. When I shifted it into counter-rotating mode for hard soil, the engine bogged down significantly. On top of that, the linkage for shifting gears feels incredibly flimsy, and assembling this thing out of the box was an absolute headache that took way longer than it should have. I mean, it is not a terrible machine if you only need light surface tilling, but for the price point and the promise of dual direction power, it just doesn't have the muscle or the build quality to handle serious backyard farm work. 4. Troy-Bilt Super Bronco CRT. This is where the testing actually started to get fun. Troy-Bilt has a massive reputation in the dirt-turning world, and the Super Bronco immediately feels like a serious step up in both engineering and stability. What really sets this machine apart is the cast iron transmission housing with a bronze gear drive. You can instantly feel the difference in durability when you engage the tines. It doesn't rattle or vibrate like the cheaper models. It just locks in and gets to work with a smooth, heavy hum. The counter-rotating tines on the Super Bronco are aggressive and perfectly angled. I took this into a patch of sod that hadn't been touched in 5 years, and it chewed right through the root systems without skipping a beat. The 208cc engine delivers consistent, quiet power that doesn't bog down under pressure. Let me explain why the handling is so impressive here. The weight distribution is dialed in perfectly over the wheels, meaning the machine does the actual work. You can literally guide it with one hand once it digs its trench, without feeling like you're wrestling a wild animal. The Super Bronco is a fantastic, reliable workhorse. It is built to last, deeply satisfying to operate, and absolutely perfect for medium-sized properties where you need dependable power year after year. Champion Power Equipment Rear-Tine Tiller. If you are looking for pure, brute force to tear up a massive garden plot, this thing is an absolute monster. Champion is known for their generators, but they clearly know how to build heavy-duty gardening tool. This tiller features a massive 22-inch tilling width, which is significantly wider than most in its class. When you are staring down a half-acre garden, that extra width saves you an incredible amount of walking and time. The 212cc engine fires up effortlessly and has power to spare. I was incredibly impressed with the cast-iron, gear-driven transmission. It feels virtually bulletproof. The dual-action tines bite deep, dropping down up to 8 inches, slicing through compacted dirt, rocks, and thick roots with a relentless kind of energy that just puts a smile on your face. You know, what surprised me most was how easy it is to maneuver despite its size. The heavy-duty agricultural tires provide insane traction. Even in wet, slippery clay, the wheels never spun out. They just grabbed the earth and pulled the heavy frame forward at a steady, manageable pace. It is a high-capacity dirt destroyer. If you have a massive garden and need to break hard ground fast, this machine offers incredible value and raw performance that will save you hours of grueling labor. 2. SuperHandy Rear-Tine Gas Tiller. Honestly, I didn't expect to love this one as much as I did. It flies a bit under the radar compared to the massive legacy brands, but its performance blew me away during my field tests. This machine utilizes a 212cc engine paired with a 16-inch tilling width. That narrower footprint might sound like a drawback, but it's actually its secret weapon. It allows you to navigate tighter spaces, turn sharply at the end of a row, and till between established garden beds without tearing up your fences. The tines are incredibly aggressive, dropping down to a full 12 inches of depth. When I pushed it into a patch of heavily compacted gravel-laced dirt, it didn't just scratch the surface, it dug in deep, churning the terrible soil into a beautiful, fluffy planting bed in just 2 passes. Let me explain the control setup because it is brilliant. The forward and reverse controls are highly responsive and placed perfectly on the handles. If you hit an obstacle or bury it too deep, popping it into reverse backs the machine out effortlessly without requiring you to heave the heavy frame backwards yourself. The SuperHandy is an agile, deeply powerful machine. It offers the perfect blend of heavy braking power and nimble maneuverability, making it an absolute joy to use for almost any backyard gardening project. Yardmax Rear-Tine Tiller. From the moment I unboxed this beast, I knew it was something special. It absolutely dominated every single test I threw at it, combining raw power with premium features that usually cost twice as much. The Yardmax shines because of its flawless dual rotating tine system. With a simple shift, you can use counter-rotating tines to shatter virgin, rock-hard earth and then switch to standard forward rotation to cultivate and mix fertilizer into your delicate planting beds. It is truly 2 professional machines built into one. Powered by a 208cc Briggs & Stratton engine, it never lacks for torque. The 18-inch tilling width is the absolute sweet spot. It is wide enough to get the job done quickly, but perfectly balanced so it doesn't wander off course. The depth control is easily adjustable right from the handle, allowing for precise cuts. You know, the real magic is how smooth it operates. The self-propelled drive system is perfectly calibrated to the tine speed. You literally just walk behind it, resting your hands on the grips. There is 0 bouncing, 0 fighting, and 0 back pain. It glides through the toughest clay like it is cutting through warm butter. If you want the absolute best dirt turning experience on the market, the Yardmax is it. It is incredibly well engineered, deeply powerful, and makes breaking ground feel less like a chore and more like a victory lap.